Welcome to the Daily Quiz Podcast. Today's category is Science and Nature. Let's get to it. Question 1. What is trinitrotoluene commonly known as? Is it A. Quicksilver, B. Dry ice, C. Borax, or D. TNT? The answer is D. TNT.
Trinitrotoluene, commonly known as TNT, was first synthesized in 1863 by German chemist Julius Wilbrand. Interestingly, it wasn't initially used for explosives but rather as a yellow dye. Its explosive potential wasn't recognized until the late 19th century, making it a staple in military and demolition applications worldwide.
Question 2. What is the name of a shape with 5 sides? Is it A. Triangle, B. Hexagon, C. Rectangle, or D. Pentagon? The answer is D. Pentagon.
The Pentagon, a 5-sided shape, lends its name to the iconic U.S. Department of Defense headquarters in Arlington, Virginia. This massive building is one of the world's largest office spaces and was constructed in just 16 months during World War II, symbolizing both efficiency and strategic might.
Question 3. What is the word for a group of fish? Is it A. clouder, B. a run, C. a shoal, or D. a brace? The answer is C. a shoal.
A group of fish is called a shoal, but when they swim in a synchronized manner, it's known as a school. This behavior isn't just for show, it helps them evade predators, conserve energy by riding each other's slipstreams, and even improves their chances of finding food. Nature's teamwork at its finest.
Question 4. What is a male kangaroo known as? Is it A. stallion, B. a buck, C. a ram, or D. a boar? The answer is B. a buck.
In the world of kangaroos, a male is called a buck, while females are known as does and their young are referred to as joeys. Interestingly, bucks can leap over 30 feet in a single bound and reach speeds up to 35 miles per hour, making them true athletes of the animal kingdom.
Question 5. What is the method of growing plants without soil? Is it A. apodology, B. horticulture, C. anapedics, or D. hydroponics? The answer is D. hydroponics.
Hydroponics, the art of growing plants without soil, dates back to the Hanging Gardens of Babylon. This ancient wonder used a similar technique to nourish plants with nutrient-rich water. Today, hydroponics allows astronauts to grow fresh produce in space, proving that even in zero gravity, you can cultivate a garden.
Question 6. In geometry, what is the opposite of an acute angle? Is it A. obtuse, B. vector, C. integral, or D. chronic? The answer is A. obtuse.
In the world of geometry, while acute angles are sharp and less than 90 degrees, their laid-back counterparts, obtuse angles, stretch out between 90 and 180 degrees. Think of them as the leisurely loungers of the angle family, always taking it easy and never in a rush to form a right angle.
Question 7. What is Gemmology or Gemology the study of? Is it A. one of two main branches of soil science, B. gemstones and ornamental materials, C. Wood. Or D. The nose and its diseases. The answer is B. Gemstones and ornamental materials.
Gemmology, the study of gemstones and ornamental materials, is a dazzling field where science meets art. Experts use tools like spectroscopes and polariscopes to uncover secrets hidden within gems. The Hope Diamond, one of the most famous gems studied by gemologists, is rumored to be cursed due to its tumultuous history.
Question 8. Which Polish astronomer has craters on the Moon and Mars named after him? Is it A. Copernicus, B. Hubble, C. Galileo, or D. Kepler? The answer is A. Copernicus.
Nicholas Copernicus, the revolutionary Polish astronomer who proposed the heliocentric model of our solar system, has left an indelible mark not only on Earth but also in space. Both the Moon and Mars honor him with craters named Copernicus, celebrating his groundbreaking work that forever changed our understanding of the cosmos.
Question 9. What would you call a baby frog? Is it A. a tadpole, B. a calf, C. a maggot, or D. a piglet? The answer is A. a tadpole.
A baby frog, known as a tadpole, embarks on a remarkable transformation journey called metamorphosis. Starting life fully aquatic with gills and a tail, it gradually develops lungs and legs. This magical transition inspired ancient cultures to view frogs as symbols of rebirth and renewal, bridging water and land worlds.
Thanks for tuning in. Remember, whether you're a quark or a quantum leap away from the answer, keep exploring. Until next time, stay curious and charged. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Until tomorrow, stay safe and farewell for now.
This episode is produced by Classic Studios. See the show notes page for sources and credits. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.